Hey there, fellow videographers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mobile videography. If you're looking to take your videos to the next level, these advanced tips are for you. Let's get started. Tip 1. Use manual controls. One of the first steps in capturing professional-looking videos is taking control of your smartphone's manual settings. Adjust parameters like exposure, white balance, focus, and ISO to get the perfect shot. It gives you more creative freedom and allows you to tailor the settings to your specific needs. Tip 2. Composition and framing. Pay attention to composition and framing to make your videos visually appealing. Apply the rule of thirds, leading lines, and symmetry to add depth and balance to your shots. It helps create a more engaging viewing experience. Tip 3. Stable footage. Shaky footage can be distracting, but fear not. Invest in a quality smartphone tripod or stabilization device to capture smooth and stable footage. This allows for fluid panning or tracking shots, making your videos look more professional. Tip 4. Lighting techniques. Lighting plays a crucial role in videography. Experiment with different lighting techniques to enhance your videos. Utilize natural light whenever possible or invest in portable LED lights or reflectors to have more control over the lighting conditions and create the desired mood. Tip 5. Audio quality. Good audio is just as important as good visuals. Invest in an external microphone or clip-on microphone to capture clear and high-quality sound. This ensures that your audience can hear your message loud and clear without any distracting background noise. Tip 6. Slow motion and time-lapse. Take advantage of your mobile phone's capabilities by capturing slow motion or time-lapse footage. These techniques can add a dynamic element to your videos, highlighting details that might go unnoticed and keeping your viewers engaged. Tip 7. Creative editing. After capturing your footage, it's time to edit. Use video editing apps to enhance your videos. Experiment with different filters, transitions, and effects to add a unique touch. Don't be afraid to explore professional editing apps for more advanced features and greater control over your final product. Tip 8. Experiment with perspectives. Get creative with your camera angles and perspectives. Try shooting from different heights, angles, or even incorporate unusual perspectives like a low angle or bird's eye view. It adds visual interest and keeps your audience captivated. Tip 9. Manual focus and exposure lock. When shooting in challenging lighting conditions or complex scenes, use manual focus and exposure lock features. This ensures consistent focus and exposure throughout your shot, resulting in more professional-looking videos. Tip 10. Storytelling and narrative. Last but not least, think about the story you want to tell through your videos. Plan your shots, transitions, and sequences in sequences. And so grab your smartphone, unleash your creativity, and let your videos shine. Remember to share your incredible creations with the world, and don't forget to tag us so we can witness your growth and be inspired by your talent. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy filming and keep creating amazing content.